In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Microsoft SharePoint with your Microsoft Teams channels. If you're ready, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams and log into your account using your credentials. If you're not already familiar, Microsoft Teams is an excellent tool for collaboration, offering an integrated workspace environment that consolidates communication and makes teamwork more efficient. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main Teams dashboard. Next, you'll want to navigate to the specific team and channel where you wish to add your SharePoint content. Take a moment to explore your available teams if you're working in a collaborative environment, because selecting the right channel is crucial for accessing and sharing documents efficiently with your colleagues. Once you have selected your desired team and channel, direct your attention to the top of the Teams interface where you'll see a plus icon, which allows you to add new tabs. Click on this plus icon. This will open the app selection panel where you can integrate various apps into your channel. In the search bar of this panel, go ahead and type in SharePoint. This step is where you connect SharePoint to Teams, allowing seamless document management and sharing directly within your channel. Once you've typed in SharePoint, you will likely see a few options appear. At this stage, select where you want to pull your SharePoint content into your Teams channel. This integration could include specific document libraries, pages, or resources crucial to your team's workflow. Once you've determined where you are pulling your content from, the next task is to choose a recommended document or section that you often use or need to have quick access to. This could be a document you're currently collaborating on, or important information your team references frequently. And finally, once you've selected your document or content, make sure you click on the Save button. This step is essential as it finalizes the integration and ensures that the content is accessible directly from your chosen Teams channel. Saving the changes will make SharePoint a readily available tab within Microsoft Teams, allowing for easy access to important documents without the need for multiple windows or applications. And there you have it. The process of integrating SharePoint into Microsoft Teams effectively and efficiently. With these steps, you and your team can enjoy a more streamlined workflow, sharing and managing documents effortlessly. This integration will no doubt enhance your productivity and collaboration efforts. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't hesitate to revisit this tutorial if you need a refresher, or share it with those who might benefit from these steps.